Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set do not allow users to enable online speech recognition on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To set do not allow users to enable online speech recognition service, you have to go to group policy, in search type gp edit, just click on edit group policy. Group policy editor has been opened. Under computer configuration, go to administrative template, expand control panel, and regional and language output, click on it. Here in regional and language output, you will find an option allow users to enable online speech recognition service. Right click on the settings, click on edit. Now not configured is set. You can click on disabled to disable this service. Now click on apply and click on OK. And look, now the status is disabled. Now do not allow users to enable online speech recognition services is set. Close group policy. To immediate effect of your group policy setting changes, just right click on start menu, click on run and type here gp update /force. Now click on OK. The group policy settings is updating. Computer policy update has been completed successfully. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.